वेलकम स्टूडेंट्स इन टुडेज लेक्चर। आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक है दैट्स अबाउट द जनरल कैरेक्टरिस्टिक फीचर्स ऑफ algae। हमने अपने प्रीवियस लेक्चर्स में डिस्कस किया अबाउट द क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ किंगडम प्लांटी एंड we came to know about different groups like algae, bryophytes, pteridophytes, gymnosperms and angiosperms। आज का जो टॉपिक है इसमें हम डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं अबाउट द जनरल फीचर्स ऑफ algae। तो what we have to remember about the algae, they are simply thallophytes. By thallophytes, we mean that there is no differentiation into root, stem, and leaves. They are photosynthetic. That means they are autotrophs. Their mode of nutrition is autotrophic, and they are non-vascular. That means इनमें xylem and phloem and phloem are absent। इनके जो सेक्स ऑर्गन्स होते हैं दे आर यूनिसेल्यूलर। सेक्स ऑर्गन्स इनमें दे आर प्रेजेंट एंड दे आर यूनिसेल्यूलर। अगर इन सर्टेन केसेस दे माइट बी मल्टीसेल्यूलर। अगर मल्टीसेल्यूलर है तो हर एक सेल जो है दैट फंक्शंस एज अ गैमीट। फॉर एग्जांपल हम देखते हैं मल्टीसेल्यूलर सेक्स ऑर्गन्स हम देखते हैं इन केस ऑफ कारा। मल्टीसेल्यूलर सेक्स ऑर्गन्स हम कारा में देखते हैं। जनरली इनके जो सेक्स ऑर्गन्स है दे आर यूनिसेल्यूलर। व्हेन दे आर मल्टीसेल्यूलर देन एवरी सेल बिहेव्स एज अ गैमीट। तो सिंपल से पॉइंट्स जो हमें algae के बारे में याद रख रहे हैं दैट वी हैव टू रिमेंबर अबाउट द algae दैट नंबर वन ये थैलोफाइट्स हैं, दे आर थैलोफाइट्स। दैट मींस इनमें डिफरेंशिएशन नहीं है इनटू रूट, स्टेम एंड लीव्स। दे आर फोटोसिंथेटिक नॉन वास्कुलर प्लांट्स जिनमें जाइलम एंड फ्लोएम एब्सेंट है। इनके जो सेक्स ऑर्गन्स होते हैं दे आर यूनिसेल्यूलर। in case they are multicellular, for example in Cara, then every cell behaves as a gamete। and the most important point जो हमें समझना है about this algae, इसके जो members होते हैं इनके लाइफ साइकिल में एम्ब्रियो स्टेज जो होता है that is absent। इनके members के लाइफ साइकिल में embryo stage is absent। there is no embryo formation in algae। ठीक है। Whenever we are studying algae, the science that is concerned with the study of algae, that is called as phycology। Phycology is simply the science that is concerned with the study of algae। जब हम बात करते हैं, whenever we discuss the habitat of algae, they are aquatic। They can be in fresh water or they can be in marine waters। जो algae include होते हैं in रॉबर्ट विटाकर्स 5 किंगडम सिस्टम ऑफ क्लासिफिकेशन, जो algae किंगडम प्लांटी में आते हैं they are basically multicellular। so algae in विटाकर्स 5 किंगडम सिस्टम ऑफ क्लासिफिकेशन जो किंगडम प्लांटी में प्लेस किए गए हैं they are multicellular। but there are certain exceptions जो कि यूनिसेल्यूलर algae है that on the basis of उनका जो अल्ट्रा स्ट्रक्चर है और उनके रिप्रोडक्टिव सिमिलैरिटीज के बेस पे उन यूनिसेल्यूलर फॉर्म्स को ग्रुप किया गया था with the multicellular algae in plant kingdom। like we are having Chlamydomonas, we are having Volvox। these are these unicellular forms। Chlamydomonas is a unicellular form, Volvox is a colonial form जिसमें बहुत सारी unicells होती है। इनके reproductive structure के आधार पे, इनके ultra structure के आधार पे they were placed in the kingdom Plantae and they were grouped up with the multicellular algae। ठीक है बेटा। then इनकी जो प्लांट बॉडी है जैसे हमने डिस्कस किया दैट इनकी जो प्लांट बॉडी है दैट इज थैलोइड। देयर इज नो डिफरेंशिएशन इनटू रूट, स्टेम एंड लीव्स। रूट स्टेम और लीव्स में कोई डिफरेंशिएशन नहीं होती है। सिंपली इनका जो स्ट्रक्चर है, बॉडी का स्ट्रक्चर जो है, दैट इज थैलॉइड। इनकी जो बेसिक फॉर्म है दैट इज filamentous. We are having then unicellular forms, we are having parenchymatous forms, we are having these heterotrichous forms, लेकिन बेसिक फॉर्म जो इनका है दैट इज filamentous. फॉर एग्जाम्पल स्पायरोगायरा में हम देखते हैं, यूलोथ्रिक्स में हम देखते हैं। हमारे we are having some algae which resemble, जिनकी external resemblance जो होती है that is with those of palms and ferns. It seems like this. It seems that there's a differentiation of root, there's a differentiation of the stem, leaves are present, but basically they are this is stem-like type, but this is not a true stem. These are leaf-like lamina. This is leaf-like lamina, but it is not a true leaf. Then we are having for attachment, हमारे पास यहाँ पे hold fast होता है. For attachment, we are having hold fast. This is stem-like type. यहाँ पे हम देखते हैं leaf-like these lamina, but they are not true leaves. There's no true stem. There are no true roots. ठीक है बेटा? इनका जो size होता है that varies. We are having a very microscopic chlorella जिसका size होता है 15 to 150 micrometer, and we are having giant macrocysts जिनका size होता है up to 60 meters. जिनका size vary करता है from their size ranges up to 60 meters. That means there is huge diversity अगर हम size की बात करें within this group algae. Once again, we are having kelps. Kelps जो है, they resemble with ferns, they resemble with palms. So as if there is stem, as if there are leaves, but it is a type that is resembling, जो किसके साथ मिलता जुलता है, stem के साथ. इसी तरह we are having these lamina that resembles the leaf, but it's not true leaf, and we are having this hold fast that resembles the roots, लेकिन ये true roots नहीं है. This is hold fast, that's for attachment. Now, अगर हम इनकी बॉडी देखें, जो जनरल इनकी बॉडी होती है that's covered by mucilage. इनकी बॉडी जो है that's covered by mucilage. ये जो mucilage होता है, it protects these algae from desiccation. ये इनको बचाता है desiccation से, ये इनको बचाता है किसी epiphytic growth से, इनके ऊपर किसी और substance की growth ना हो, ये इनको बचाता है from toxic chemicals. ठीक है? तो the point is that जो alga है, they are covered by mucilage. जो mucilage इनको बचाता है from desiccation, इनको बचाता है किसी भी epiphytic growth से, यानी इनकी बॉडी की सरफेस के ऊपर किसी और ऑर्गेनिज्म की ग्रोथ नहीं होती है. इनके ऊपर टॉक्सिक केमिकल्स जो है उनका इफेक्ट जो होता है वो ये नलिफाई करते हैं. ठीक है? एंड सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट जो डिकेइंग इफेक्ट ऑफ वाटर होता है उसको ये खत्म करते हैं. नाउ algae जो इनमें कंडक्टिंग सिस्टम, दैट मींस xylem and phloem, they are absent. इनमें मैकेनिकल टिश्यूज जो है they are not that developed, they are absent. Since algae ये जो these are autotrophic, they are photosynthetic. So इनमें there is presence of plastids, there is presence of photosynthetic pigments. For example, chlorophyll A, carotenes. For example, we are having chlorophyll A, we are having carotenes, we are having xanthophylls. They are present almost in each and every group of algae. इनके जो plastids होते हैं, they are of different shape. We are having plastids जो कि star shaped होते हैं. We are having plastids which are star shaped. We are having plastids which are ribbon shaped. We are having ribbon shaped plastids. ठीक है? तो plastids are of different shape and color. इनमें pyrenoids भी present होते हैं, and pyrenoids if present उनका काम होता है to store starch. Pyrenoids if present, their work is to store starch. And the thylakoids जो इनमें होते हैं, they are agranal. That means grana are absent. Generally 1 to 20 thylakoids are present, जिनमें that help in the photosynthesis. And what we have to remember, फिर से मैं repeat करता हूं, that these algae they are photosynthetic. When they are photosynthetic, that means photosynthetic pigments are present. Chlorophyll A, carotenes, xanthophylls, they are present in almost every group of algae. Besides, इनमें कुछ unique pigments present होते हैं that we will discuss. Plastids जो इनमें होते हैं, they are of different shape and color. We are diverse in plastids. Pyrenoids अगर present है तो उनका काम है to store starch. इनके जो plastids होते हैं, they are agranal. That means grana is absent. तो जो photosynthetic lamella होता है, there 1 to 20 thylakoids are present there. Now, हर एक अलग group में there are unique photosynthetic pigments, and from this very section questions are asked, and it's very important. For example, brown algae. For example, in brown algae, we are having fucoxanthins and chlorophyll C. In red algae, we are having phycobilins, phycoerythrin and phycocyanin, and chlorophyll D. And in green algae, we are having chlorophyll B and beta carotenes. So what we have to remember, the important photosynthetic pigments that are present within the different algal groups of plant kingdom. क्या क्या है बच्चा? Number one is fucoxanthin and chlorophyll C in brown algae. Brown algae is, we say it is Phaeophyceae. It is Phaeophyceae. Then we are having phycobilins and chlorophyll D in red algae, that is Rhodophyceae. Then we are having chlorophyll B and beta carotenes in green algae, that is Chlorophyceae. That is Chlorophyceae. So यहाँ से इस सेक्शन से अक्सर क्वेश्चन आते हैं, फ्रीक्वेंटली इस सेक्शन से क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाते हैं, be it NEET or any other competitive exam. Now, as far as their food reserve is concerned, we are having Floridian starch. We are having Floridian starch in case of red algae. We are having Floridian starch in case of red algae. Laminarin and mannitol present होता है brown algae में, that is Phaeophyceae, and starch होता है in case of green algae. ठीक है? So this was brief about the general characters of algae. So what we have to remember about the algae, let's have a quick look. Number one, algae जो है, they are photosynthetic non-vascular plants. जिनमें sex organs जो होते हैं, they are unicellular. If they are multicellular, for example in Chara, then every cell behaves as a gamete. The flagellated structures may be present or absent in their life cycle. Embryo stage is absent in their life cycle. इनके life cycle में embryo stage नहीं होता है. And their body, that is a thalloid. By thalloid, we mean that there is no differentiation into true root, true stem, and true leaves. Then we are having, अगर हम देखें, इनकी जो body होती है, that is covered by mucilage. That mucilage protects these algae from desiccation. ये इनके ऊपर किसी भी epiphytic growth उससे बचाता है, toxic chemicals से बचाता है, या पानी के decaying effects से इनको ये बचाता है. They don't have a conducting system. Xylem and phloem, they are absent. Mechanical tissues, कोई specific mechanical tissue नहीं होता, that's absent. They are photosynthetic, that means plastids are present, and algal group, that's very diverse as far as the plastids are concerned, as far as their shape is concerned, as far as their color is concerned. Pyrenoids अगर present होते हैं, then they are meant for the star storage. Plastids इनमें agranal होते हैं. Photosynthetic pigment, हर एक algal group में chlorophyll A is present. There are carotenes and there are xanthophylls. Then every algal group is having some specific photosynthetic pigments, like we are having fucoxanthin and chlorophyll C in brown algae, phycobilins and chlorophyll D in red algae, chlorophyll B and beta carotenes in green algae. Reserve food material जो है, that is Floridian starch in red algae, laminarin and mannitol in brown algae, and starch in green algae. Red algae means rhodophyceae, brown algae means phaeophyceae, and green algae means chlorophyceae. So in our next lecture, we are going to discuss about the reproduction of algae. How do algae reproduce? Okay.